Let's take a look at some of the other functions available on the Mi Watch Revolve Active. How to use the altimeter function. Press the home button on your watch for the main menu. Select the altimeter icon. How to use the camera function on your Mi Watch Revolve Active. Open the Xiaomi Wear app and click on the Profile tab. Click on Additional Settings, select the camera function and turn it on. Press the home button on the watch for the main menu and select the camera icon. Music. Press the home button on the watch for the main menu and select the music icon. Compass. Press the home button on the watch for the main menu and select the compass icon. Follow the instructions on the watch and calibrate the compass. Auto Detect Workout function. Press the home button on the watch for the main menu and select the settings icon. Scroll down to select the workout option. You can toggle the Auto Detect function on and off for running and walking. Display settings on your Mi Watch Revolve Active. Scroll down to select the display option. You can now adjust the display settings as required. You can also swipe up on the home screen to quickly toggle the Do Not Disturb function on and off.